So cute.
Pumpkin, wait! Pumpkin! Wait! Come on, Amaya. No, you lick. Oh my god. Oh! Onde é que tu vai com essa calcinha? One, two, three, catch. It's okay. It's okay.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Stop.
Oh my gosh, he's walking on his hands. London, come here. Get him.
No.
Don't be jealous. I can love McConnell. Ow!
Ay, parce, esto es increíble.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Do you want to go?
Wilson, no, ow! Oh, for fuck's sake.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
To pass out. And my head hit the wall.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Fue a esto.
Splasher, splasher, yes, yes.
What are you doing?
Don't get hurt! Because of you! For the first! That's so...
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey! ¡Get down!
I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna turn Walter Ben nutty. If someone you
No.
Go away. Don't.
God damn, Mitzi. Why do you gotta do things like that?
What's between those ears? Is it a brain? No, just floof.
So my dog is creeping up on me because I'll admit I just did something to piss her off.
God. It's slippery. Be careful, baby.
This is how I come upstairs to him sleep on the couch.
Off that? Yeah, the gay. Look at it.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature.
You can't get down that way, puppy. Oh, Richie! I guess my kids found the puppy pens. Who are you?
Huh? Oh, I hold him up.
Bang! Good job. Good job.
Oil, let him go. Let him ride his scooter, Oil. Oil!
It's not good. Oh! It wasn't me.
You?
Not me.
Come on. Let's just take him outside and let him have the damn thing.
What boy, Brewski?
Or pet behaviorist explained it.
Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
What is it?
Канавария. Канавария.
Really, kid? 真骨有有尾巴，真骨。
Did you eat my full joint? Nope. Just felt like it.
These animals are about to make your day a lot better.
Oh!
I know, but wait, man! Wait!
Oh my God! I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at.
You're so funny.
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Annie. He's fine, and that's the day that he wants to.
Wait. Come in.
Billy. Mira, Carmen, no te sentando. Deja el chisme. Deja el chisme, chismoso.
Oh my gosh, is that your daughter? How many months is she?
Oh, Christ.
Ooh, so fancy.
I don't care what you said. Yeah, back away.
Oh my God.
Is that a bumblebee? Yo, what the? Bro. You just crushed it. You just crushed it. Oh, it's on your back. Oh, it's on your back. It's on your back. It's on your back. It's on your...
Súbete al computador.